how to make image smaller on Squarespace. This is about to help you through it. That is still to be about satisfying for what we are looking for. The progress that is still to be about be important for what we are looking for. What we are going to do it, if that can be done on the next situation, that can be really understood on what we are looking for and how we can start to do it. If that goes be waiting for the next progress, about to click on image, about to go for the image editor and start to edit here, right here, and then as you can see adjust the size and dragging the into custom and twists. So we go for clicking on the site styles, click on miscellaneous, and then click on image blocks. Now start to choose the image block that you would like to change its width. So the width, depending on the image size, can be smaller or can be smaller or can be bigger. So that is all about to help you here on this video.